Many people think that earning a lot of money means success. But is that true? Or is it something else? Let's understand it through a story. There were two friends. One was very smart, and the other was very ordinary. The smart friend had a job at a big company. He had a high salary and many benefits. The ordinary friend worked at a small company. His salary was low, and he had fewer benefits. Their other friends thought, the smart friend will be successful and rich in the future. Maybe you think the same too. But there was a problem. The smart friend could not control his spending. Because he earned a lot, he spent a lot. He thought, I earn well, so I should enjoy life now. Slowly, his expenses grew out of control. Years passed, and reality changed. He realized that although he had a high income, he had no savings. He had credit card debt and a lot of stress. On the other hand, the ordinary friend did not earn much. His life was not luxurious, but it was stable. He had no debt and no stress. Why? Because he had one good habit. He saved a little money every month. He was always at peace. He thought, these small savings will help me one day. After many years, when he saw his total savings, his happiness doubled. This story tells us a simple truth. You can increase your income with talent, but you must keep it with habits. Earning money may be a talent, but keeping money is consistency. Small habits, cutting unnecessary expenses, saving even a tiny amount, and planning for the future are what truly transform a life. Ultimately, it doesn't matter how much you earn. What matters is how much you retain for the future. The truly wealthy are not those who earn the most. So, who are the truly wealthy? Share your thoughts in the comments.